I don't know how long the tutorial is, but
Oh wait, do we have to be all on the same server?
I have no idea. I just clicked Europe. I don't think it matters.
Yeah, I put Europe as well.
I'm down with anything, honestly. Just invite me, and then I think I can just jump into your lobby.
Yar.
Ah!
Okay. Shift to run. F to drop weapon. Space
I'm
to
not
jump.
very good at climbing.
Welcome to the research facility.
Oh my
All
god.
your behavioral data will be videotaped for further research. Please follow the instructions throughout the process.
Just so you know, during the experiment, if you get your head squashed by the door, the insurance company just can't care less about it. Now, little pup, let's test your observation
I'm getting beat up.
abilities. Take a look around.
I'm doing the tutorial as well. I'm in a cage.
Nice. Let me just
I'm not
open
into
this
this.
cage
Please let
for
me
you.
out. Okay.
I think I had to restart because I changed my server.
Illegal intrusion detected. Releasing Terminator 3000.
Why are the controls so weird?
Activated. Defense system now.
Here, take
It
some
moves
time to
so
get
They're ragdolls.
so
See
weird.
that, wee thingy that just popped out. That is the stamina bar.
How do you
It comes in
climb?
handy
Oh, gosh.
whenever you run, attack, climb, or carry stuff around. Next up,
I'm getting
you
beat
need to
up.
make a jump to the right side. See that cube thingy over there? Pick it up and bring it to the pressure
just got beat
sensor
up.
outlined in yellow. Oh, and keep away from the glass case in the middle. See
I think I
that,
died.
lever thingy? Just pull it
In
to
the
close door.
tutorial. I'm literally
tutorial?
literally IGN, what's it called?
I think I did.
I forget how you call them. Journalist. IGN journalist moment. Stop, they're laughing at me for dying in the tutorial.
How do I?
Oh my god, this is so difficult! Why is this so difficult?
I don't know how to hit when I grab a weapon.
Now lift this white cube thingy and throw it across the
You guys
gap.
can do it.
I wish I knew there was a tutorial before because I would have done it. I would have done it before starting.
I have done it before.
People, it's a new game.
It's fine, at least I'm learning. What the f...
I want to learn how to hit them with weapons. If you figure it out, can you tell me how? Oh, I did it. Oh, okay.
I've not even gotten to
Last
weapons
time
yet.
I
I'm
played
putting
was like
cubes on pressure
2023.
plates.
But all I know is that
Security guards.
we beat up each
Illegal
other.
intrusion detected in the monitoring room.
Oh, do I have to fight a guy?
Oh,
Okay, drag the lizard onto the pressure sensor.
isn't there a main menu?
Organism
How long is
verification
this?
successful.
How long is this tutorial?
Dude,
Well,
I know,
what you waiting
right?
for?
Why is this so
Come
long?
on, throw some punches. Let's see what you got. Now, little pup, climb that net over there and get to the next room.
Okay.
Ah!
Attention to all.
God damn, why is this tutorial so complex, bro?
You see that shovel? Just
Attention to all security guards. Illegal intrusion detected in the
What
monitoring
shovel? I don't see a
a
shovel.
lizard duo this time. Time to prove your fighting skills.
It's fine, I don't need a
Okay.
shovel.
I don't even know what I'm supposed to do.
Oh god.
Ah!
I think I got. Please, please.
Organism verification successful.
Oh no.
Dude,
I don't know
I'm
what I'm
being
supposed to do.
punched. I'm being destroyed by a lizard. Why is this guy so good?
Okay.
I'm actually watching YouTube.
Why is this guy so good? Oh man, I wish I knew there was a tutorial.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh,
Oh, you killed someone.
Organism verification successful.
thank you for the sub polished.
Releasing Terminator
Pick up the
6000.
bomb. Pick up the bomb.
Terminator 6000 activated. Defense system now online.
Run faster, faster.
Okay. Oh,
Your IQ test has ended. Now evaluating. The overall IQ score is 2.
ow!
9.
They told me I have 2
My little
IQ.
pup, Your IQ. Pull it, then take a leap. I've got some dope
I think I'm done.
Okay. Wait, I thought that, but then I went on a pirate ship. And I'm still on
What?
a pirate ship.
How long is this tutorial?
I don't know.
Okay, are we sure we can't just leave?
I'm
I
not sure if
know.
you can. Have you tried pressing escape or something?
Let me see. Exit and save. Exit to desktop.
Yeah, try exit and save or something.
If it works, then tell me, and then I can leave.
Okay, let me see. Exit and save.
Oh.
Yes.
I don't remember this being in the game.
Okay, I think, yeah, do exit and save. Dude, we didn't have to do any of that. We didn't have to do any of that.
Wait, so exit and save, yes?
Yeah.
And then quit mission, because it... Oh my god. Okay, and then you get to pick an animal.
Wait, where do you get to? Oh, I already picked one, I think.
Okay, so custom game, right? The Friend Pass version requires an invitation from a player to enter this game mode. Okay, so I have to be invited.
Should I make a game and then invite you both?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Create last to stand. I don't know.
Monkey. I am monkey. I am monkey.
Monkey doesn't wear
Any pet.
I think I have to invite you. Wait a sec. Let me. Less than. Invite.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Ywuira.
I didn't
And
almost
then-
get filtered by the tutorial, okay?
Wait, have I got you on Steam, PP? I should.
I think
right?
so, because we
Hello.
played the repo together. And we got the... We
Yeah,
went in the...
I don't see you on my friends, but I found Ywuira.
It has to be because we did you know when we do the Vtuber Studio collab.
Hello.
Yeah. You're not showing up in my list for some reason.
Huh.
Hello.
It's weird because
Maybe we need to. Can you add me in the game? Maybe.
how do I do that?
I got my ID.
Because when I press custom game, it says the Friend Pass version requires an invitation from a player to enter this game mode.
I sent you a code. Try and add a friend and then use that code I just sent in a group because that's my friend code. So try and add me. Maybe in the game. Just-
Where do I add people?
I have no idea.
It's been a while since I played this. That's
Yeah.
the problem.
Oh my god. I don't have anything that says to add people.
Yeah. Invite. You should be showing up on my list because like yours is through Steam. Is your it's weird. It's like basically telling me you haven't played it before. Yeah, I can try and restart my game.
Does anyone
Wait, is my voice
know
in the
why
game?
this could be like this?
Yeah, it's open. You can
No,
turn
my
it
god,
off.
it's Nokla! That's crazy.
Wait, how do I turn it off?
I don't. Okay, so the thing
There's
is,
settings.
does anyone know what the
Settings.
friend pass version is?
Like down to your bottom right. There's like a. It's like a.
Oh,
microphone.
I found it. Okay. Wait.
Okay, what?
Let me get the code. Let me get the code and put it there. Okay. Okay. I sent you an friend request, Kirana.
How did you get to the friend thing so then I can probably...
It's in the very corner. It's in the very, very right corner. It looks like a little 0 out of 0
Oh.
kitty cat. It's not very
I
counterintuitive.
accepted it! I accepted it.
Okay.
Let me try and invite you.
Kirana is now your friend.
Okay, I sent you an invite.
Yes!
we did it.
It's working! Oh, let's go!
Nice!
Oh, W. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we
Oh,
go.
your
No,
voice
you
is in
you
the...
guys can turn off your microphones.
Yeah, I
at
turned
the
mine
bottom
off.
Right.
Oh, is there a game in the mic? In-game mic?
Yeah.
Yes, it doubles.
Oh. I didn't have time to see it. Do you hear me double right now?
Oh yeah, I'm ready. I'm a cat.
I'm a
Gorilla.
gorilla.
I'm a
Monkey.
ox.
Monkey. Okay, wait, do you hear me double right now? So I can...
Yeah.
Okay, let me
Oh,
go
wait.
settings.
What's this? Oh, it's been a while.
How do I mute in game? Microphone.
What I get?
Ah,
what I
okay.
Press
get, what I get.
exit and then press settings and you can go to audio.
Okay, do you hear me well now?
Yeah, I don't
What's
hear you. I don't know.
Do you...
There we go.
There we go, nice.
Sorry.
Nice.
I'm
Thank you
after
guys for
pee-pee.
not killing me while I was... Well, okay, so what do we do? What do we do? Do we just... How do I... What? I don't know how to play this
I
game!
got you, guys.
Ah! What is that? What is that?
I have no idea.
Don't shoot me! Wait, what is this?
I don't understand.
We shot each other.
No.
Where's Pee-Pee? Is Pee-Pee dead?
I'm surviving.
I'm not sure.
Pee-Pee's stuck.
How do I get
there's
out
this
of
thing
this
over here.
hole?
There's a stairs here.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's fine. No, it's fine. I'm good. No, don't mind me.
Ah!
I got this. I got this.
What are you doing?
But
Mind
I'm not even not even sure.
Don't
What am I
mind me.
doing to this pen? What am I doing to this pen?
Come on, I'm not here, you know. You guys are fine to fight each other. How do you use a weapon? How do I use this? What do
You
you
just
press?
use it's the controls
don't get
are
how
very
to-
whack.
I don't get how to use this thing.
Exactly. How do
I
you?
can pick it up,
I pick it up, but how do I
but like,
use it?
how do I use it? Like,
Q,
do you just run
E,
into the people
R.
with it?
C, X. I'm pressing all the possible buttons.
Is it like this?
Alt.
I'm going
I
up.
think you just press the click button. Point at me and press the click button.
Oh yes! Oh nice!
Okay.
Oh my god, why is there fart juice everywhere? What the? What was that? What happened
What is this?
there?
I wanted that. You took my
No,
juice.
that's my
How dare
juice.
you.
That's my juice.
I'm
Don't worry
alive.
about it.
I'm alive!
Don't worry about it.
I got you guys. I got you.
What the?
Oops. I didn't mean to throw.
Oh!
Juke.
died.
Gamer.
I died.
Yeah, there's gas down there. That's why I was desperately jumping around.
Oh.
Yeah, there's like toxic gas.
I died.
Don't do it. No! Ah! No, I was bad. No! Why am I the only one that hasn't won yet? No, this is mine. This is my
good.
time.
I missed.
How do I? Wow. Okay, dude, this is just bullying at this point. This is just bullying.
Ah.
I'm alive.
No!
I got
Lay there. No! Wow, dude. I'm being bullied. There we go. You can take that banana peel. You can take
My
that.
hands. My raw hands. Ah.
Hiya!
Chad, I'm waiting.
Ah.
Come here.
I'm waiting.
Don't wanna
Oh
mess
my god, this game.
La bomba. La bomba.
No!
God damn.
Come here. Come here.
I don't know how to let go of things
Fish.
because I was trying to pick you up.
Fish.
Babe.
La fiche au chocolat.
La fiche chocolat.
How do I let go of this?
I think it's F. You throw it.
Oh. No, put me down. I refuse.
Cell phone. Cell phone.
No!
Long live the king.
Jordan, why would you go down there? Why would you go down there?
I didn't want to. I'm trying to. I will.
No!
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Dude, I have to lock in, okay? I've got to lock in.
I have to lock in too.
Me too!
Oh, I
What
got
is
work.
this? Yeah!
Let go of me.
Come with me!
Pee-pee!
Why am I walking backwards?
You just fall.
Dude, my
What
controls
are you
work.
doing?
Come on, I don't understand how this works. How does it work? Yeah, let's go, W! Oh, I still earned that. I definitely earned that. Oh my god, let's go. That was
No,
so
you
fair.
did not.
Oh god. That was so funny.
I don't even know how to pick something up, man. I feel like I'm really being skill diffed by not having played this game ever before.
Yeah.
Yuri's invisible. Yuri's invisible. Where is she? I'm like
What's
shooting to see if I
happening?
can find her.
Why is my
Right.
walking not walking the direction that I'm walking? What is going on in this game? How do I pick something up? How do I pick this thing up?
You hold the click button. This is why you should have
you
done
have
the
to hold
tutorial.
it.
Oh, you
Okay,
got my
and then
nose.
I got your nose.
Okay. So then once I hold. I get it.
Uh-oh.
Thank you. Oh, now come here.
Ah. How do you use that thing?
I have no idea.
Come here.
Oh my gosh!
Come here. Come here.
She's so aggressive!
Come here. Come here. Come here. I can't lose again. I can't. I just can't. You have to understand. I have a family to feed.
I'm trying to get...
No! I'm alive. I'm alive.
Mm-hmm. No, come on. Let's take her down together. Don't worry about it.
No.
No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Get up, get
No,
up.
no, no, don't worry about it.
Get up.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. They didn't need. They shouldn't have taught me how to use weapons. They shouldn't have taught me how to do it. I'm unstoppable now. Oh god. Oh god, please. Please. Please don't. Please. Oh god. No, 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 no. There's fart juice.
Clear.
Edge goes. Oh, banana. Put a banana peel though.
Don't worry about it.
Fine.
Okay.
Fine.
It's fine. It's all good. Okay. Just leave that.
PP, you're dying, PP.
No, no. You. I'll take it down with me. No! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Elden Ring roll. No! Why me? Why me? I was there too. No.
This reminds me of the thing at the end of
fam.
Repo.
It literally
You know when
is
you
the
were
Kingdom of
playing?
the Lizards. Why is there a
I
giant
just put
poop on top
her
of my...
face. I just put poop on her head.
There's a giant poop on top of my screen. I don't even know where I am. Oh my god. Okay, that's just unfair. Okay, that's just rude. Okay, that's just actually rude. I had the poop on my head. That's just rude.
No. You better run. You better run.
Okay, that was bad.
Be
Oh no,
scared.
no, no.
Ah!
Oh man, that was just bullying, dude. Poop on my head and then got shot off. That's crazy. Oh, there
my
you go.
gosh.
There's a gift for you, Kirana.
Oh,
What,
thank
you don't
you.
want it? You don't want my gift? That hurts me. That hurts me. Hurts me deeply, I say. She just killed her. She just jumped off.
Jump!
Damn, how do you do that? How do you climb?
Not for long. Come here.
Damn.
Go get Marina. Go get Marina.
I can't believe the only round I won is when both of you jumped into the pit of acid, man.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. Come here. No, no you don't.
I'm doing
No
it.
you
I'm
don't.
doing it. I'm
No
the
you
winner.
don't.
I'm the winner.
How
I'm
do
the
you
winner.
punch? I
I'm
don't
doing
even
it.
know. I'm dead. I'm dead in the corner. No. No. Monkey supremacy. No. I need to be monkey. Monkey needs to be strong.
Go back. I want to be monkey.
Kick toss, punch grab. Okay.
Should we try a different map?
Yeah.
What map do you want to do?
There's a
There's-
cart, by the way. I don't know how it works, but there are
Uh,
other games other than just us bullying each other.
Yeah, there's a
Like
lot of ones.
driving.
There's a
Driving.
sinking ship. There's an ice one where the ice breaks. There's a bridge where the bridge breaks.
I wouldn't
There's
know.
one where it's like a plane and you're on top of the plane fighting and you gotta throw each other off. I don't know. There's a few. Which one?
Anything.
Which one sounds the most interesting?
Whichever one you're feeling in your heart, Kirana.
Yeah.
Pick with your heart,
If
okay?
you can find out, Kira, if you can find out like the racing part, that would be awesome. I feel like racing with you guys would be so nice.
It
Oh,
might be
no.
the conveyor one.
Oh no, I'm so
Maybe
bad at racing games.
I think
Oh,
it's
no.
the conveyor one. I see a little. Can you see the maps? If you click on maps, can you see them?
No.
Hold on. No, it's a different one. When the
Okay. Can you see which I
the
select?
game is different, you have to check a game mode. The game mode. Can you check the game modes? Like just not the maps.
I don't think so. I think there's only maps. I can see. Go off and look
Yeah,
for.
I can check. Let's look and check. Hold on. I'll check. I'll try. Going.
If
out
you can
the-
make
Who
the
the
game
hell
and
is
pick it.
Dennis?
Yeah, I'll see.
Excuse
What?
me. Who's... What? What's going on?
Out of the box. Team score.
I'm confused. What's going on? Vroom vroom.
I think Yuri is gonna look at the game modes.
Okay. Can I just not do whichever? I think all of them are probably would be fun to try.
Yeah.
Vroom vroom. I'm gonna be looking at skins. Oh my god, you can be a cabbage dog? You'd be so funny if I bought the Nogla skin. That would be so funny, okay. No.
There we go. I found it. So we go. Kira, wait, hold on. Can you make the lobby? Go create again, and then instead of like the last standing, you can go out the lab and then Nemo cart.
Wait. Do you want me to
Custom
make?
game? Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm not friends with PP. That's the problem.
Okay, so custom game.
Custom game,
We're not
create,
friends.
create.
And then
The
The
lab.
lab?
Use the lab instead of last.
and then
the third
Nemo
one.
cart.
Nemo cart.
And then which map sounds the best? There's Formula Wild, Snowville, Shingai
you.
by the Night.
Just
or-
whichever
Up to
one. Whichever
I
one.
did this. Wait, it says it lets me pick more than one. I think I can pick
Yeah,
all
Oh,
of
you
them
can
and
put
then
it
we'll go
random. Oh,
through them.
perfect. Put it
Yeah,
random then.
Definitely.
Let Destiny choose.
Real. Oh my god, you know what's funny about this? I just realized it earlier when we opened it. We're using shopping carts.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
You know, I work at a store. I don't take kindly to people that don't bring their cards back. I say.
Let's fucking go.
fucking minging in it. Oh man, no.
Ready?
We're racing. Oh no.
Oh yeah. They start. Here we go.
Let's go.
I forced to crush. Okay. I
I
wonder
don't
how
have a
this will work.
license, but I feel like I can do this. I'm
I
confident.
have no idea. I
Thank
have
you
no
so much
idea
for
how
the
to drive.
sub. Thank
Oh,
you. Thank you, Paul T. Thank you.
Oh.
Oh
Pick my
damn, we can
car.
pick our cars.
I either want the box or the shopping cart, but I don't know.
Okay, wait.
Oh, you have to pay for them. You have to pay
Yeah.
for them. Aw. Gonna cry.
We
Okay,
can
I'm
only
going.
use the reach to
We can only use the basic one.
No.
Nor. Saturday
Nor.
Boris Calypso is fucking minging. Suck your dad. Oh man,
gonna
no.
suck your asses.
I am so bad at driving in video games. Oh no.
Damn.
It's to break. What do you mean?
I don't know how to drive.
I have no idea too, but it's like Mario Kart, so let's fucking go!
I've never played Mario Kart in my life.
What
does
does
this
G-
mean?
Oh! Oh my god, I'm swerving a lot!
Don't worry, guys. My POV is gonna be a relaxing drive.
Nice.
My POV is just gonna be a relaxing drive right behind. Cause
Oh my god. Sheesh! I drifted there. I don't know. How was that? Whatever it is, cool.
oh man. No.
Yeah!
No.
Holy frick!
No. No. J to boost. Where's J on my keyboard? J is so far away. Who the fuck
I
gonna
know.
pick? Who gonna press J? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my.
Ah! My banana! No! Oh my god, I keep fucking on the banana. I don't say.
Banana.
Dude, I am so far away behind, it's not even funny. I am so far behind, it's not even. Where are you guys?
I don't know. I
You
don't
guys
even
wait
know.
for me. I'm approaching. I am the storm that is approaching.
Oh!
Come here.
Oh, oh, I'm here. Oh, I'm here. Oh, I've arrived. Comeback of the century.
Yuri's got a gun.
Comeback of the century. Comeback of the century. Ah, who's that?
I don't know.
Oh hell
Oh
yeah.
my god.
Oh hell yeah. I understand now.
Why is there a car there? Jesus freaking Christ!
Give me something good. Give me something.
Me.
They give me nothing.
Arrow.
Ah! Stupid car!
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
man.
Oh my god.
Oh
My
god,
hands
this
hurt
game.
so bad. Are you guys mousing keyboard? This is so painful. Genuinely, my pants hurt. Bah. Bah.
You would think I'm
My head hurts. My head literally hurts.
Let's go.
Rigged. That was rigged by the government.
Okay.
That was rigged.
That was so fun though.
Oh man. Oh, it was fun for you.
Yeah.
Not for me. Oh
Thank
my
you.
god, the suffering. The suffering of cars.
It's okay, PP.
Do any of you are
I'm
able to
pretty sure
drive
this
in
one-
real life? How do... What does she know that we don't?
Oh.
Oh, I got a coin. Oh, stop throwing balls at me. I saw that.
I'm sorry, I have to. They call me the ball thrower.
I keep getting coins. That's all of the boxes I've got are coins, and I've got
Because
3
you're always
boxes.
first, so even I know that the better you do, the more shit stuff you get. Dude, how do you
Well,
fucking...
it's not gonna stop me.
How do you... I don't understand the controls
Oh my
of this.
gosh.
This really feels like it would play better with a controller. Woo!
Oh. Okay.
Oh. What was that? I keep getting coins! What do you mean? I'm like getting nothing good.
I'm honestly.
I don't understand this game. This is pain. I am in pain.
Ah!
Hello. Okay. 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 Maybe I'm not gonna get last. Okay. Maybe I'm not gonna last. Monkey! Monkey power.
No!
Monkey. Ah, stupid banana peel. Oh, really? What? Really? I was there! I was there! God damn it! Why did I feel like get third? Bro!
Oh, PP.
Rigged! I want to recount! I want to recount! Dude!
It's okay, there's like a lot of them, don't worry.
One banana peel and I'm back to the start.
Maybe this is your match, PP. Maybe this time.
Yeah, I'm certain. I'm certain. Monkey will win one day. Monkey. Monkey.
Monkey doesn't wear,
Wear any pants. What the? What? What is? What is this game? What does this game mean? Okay, I'm beginning to believe.
Oh, I understand it now.
Nor. Oh, nor. Please keep giving me rocket launchers. I love them. Oh, I kind of blew both of us up. Oops, sorry. Oopsies.
PP is actually in the lead.
What?
No, I don't understand this glitch.
Oh, I fell off. Plus ratio.
I don't know if this is the right way.
Me
This map is
neither.
confusing.
It really is. How can you drift without like breaking your legs? I don't get it. Oh man. Well, that was sad. Oh, that was quite pathetic, wasn't it? Ay, 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 ay. Ay, qué dolor. Oh, come on, give me something. Give me a rocket launcher or something. Ah! No! 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 At this point, it feels like it's better to not even drift. It feels like the drifting really is killing me. Oh, the other way. Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah.
Oh my god, this map is
Dude,
crazy.
it's so
I know.
convoluted. Okay, it's time. The drift of the century. Oh man. Oh man. I don't understand. When are you supposed to drift to do it successfully, man?
Yay.
No! I'm so far away!
I'm arriving! I made it second for Can you believe?
Yeah.
I made it! Yippee!
Hey, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's a good idea.
I'm beginning to understand, to believe, to smell colors.
I'm gonna do it.
I'm ready.
Oh, I'm ready. Okay, this map looks more straightforward. Okay, so I didn't take the double item on purpose. I thought I didn't need it, you know? I didn't want it,
It's
so...
telling me to go back. Oh no! It doesn't let me. It doesn't let me.
Oh my god.
Lock
Okay.
in. Oh, no, you dare. Oh, no. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't with your balls. Oh, no, you don't throw your balls at me. Oh, miss. Don't you throw your balls at me. I missed so many balls.
It didn't go. It didn't work. What is that? Oh.
Oi! Oh my god! Okay,
Oh my
now I
God,
see
what
what you
is
mean. When
it?
you're first, it really is all coins. Ah! No!
And I'm back in the lead again. Even though I went back at the start.
No!
Pro gamer.
No! I was in first for so long! Where are you going, Kirana? Where are you going, Kirana? Oh man, I'm so bad at drifting. Ow! Why would you do that to me?
God.
No, I don't want to get got.
Oh god!
I do not want to get got. I do not desire to get got. It is not within my plan to get
I am
got.
just a girl.
And why is
that wants
Kirana
to
so good at
fucking
this?
Drive. Oh no!
Coño. Oy, oy, oy.
How do you not get bumped over this?
Come on, Kirana, you've won enough of them. You've won enough of them.
Well, you want me to let you
Greedy.
let you win?
No, I want it to be worse. I know it feels you were. Don't worry about it. I've been there.
I'm just a girl.
I'm just a girl.
You know, what if we just stay behind and make out while Kirana wins? Uh-huh.
Real. Real.
Well, my wife's not here today. She
Yeah,
has no
your
Wi-Fi,
wife's not
okay?
here today, so yeah, we can just make
I'm feeling
out.
lonely.
I mean, it's
Feeling
fine. We'll
lonely.
accept you in.
Oh, I wish I found a lover that could hold me.
Hold me.
Now I'm crying in my room. So
Something.
skeptical. What do we do now?
Something.
We can try different games.
Okay.
Should do that for maybe first game mode, but different map.
I think I have to go and invite you again.
Okay.
Oh really? Doesn't it change the game mode in the middle? Oh man.
I don't think so, unless I'm stupid.
And I think
No,
that will
it's
be
fine.
the
Probably
last
not.
that's fine with you guys, because it's almost 1 for me.
You want to do one more? Or...
Yeah, I'm done one more.
Okay. We'll do one more. Let's do
Uno más.
Final Destination, whatever that is.
Real.
Sounds interesting.
Final destination sounds fitting. I'm ready.
Right.
Oh no, I think this is the one on top of a train. Oh no.
Fuck,
Oh no. It's gonna get very dangerous.
Okay.
I'm so ready. I'm so ready to die, piss, and cry.
No, I'm ready to win. Only win.
I wish I have that motivation.
Monkey power. If I don't have this motivation, then no one will, okay? If I don't motivate myself, no one else will. I will win all of them. Even though I haven't won a single one.
Yeah.
Oh, you throw them on the train tracks.
Hey! Hey, okay, I get it. Haha, I understand. You don't have to show me how it's done. Haha. I get it. You turned them off. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, Oh, shit.
What did I do?
Ah!
Oh, come here.
No!
No! How do you throw people? How do you do this so much better than me?
I'll let you get up because I'm so kind. You what you do is you hold them with the right click, and then to throw them you press the... Oh wait, no, you press the right click to throw them and then hold them like you pick something up.
Ah.
You don't have to pick them up.
Well, hell no, I died to the train.
Too late. It's kinda hard to talk right. Ah! I am talking to
What
my
are you trying to... Where's Pee-Pee?
I died. You threw me off.
You died?
Remember?
I thought you climbed back up.
But then
I am
you threw me
stuck.
again.
I am stuck. I'm real stuck. I'm real
Or was
stuck.
it? It might be real to me.
Like, oh no, I'm
literally
stuck.
stuck.
Let me help you.
Don't save yourself.
The train keeps going.
I am stuck. Damn, Kayla, I didn't know you're that.
Your wife's not here. She can't see anything.
What the fuck
I
is
can't
going on here? What's going on over here? Oh, you're stuck.
I
Wait.
can't go out. I'm
Let
real.
me-
I'm
You
not
can't get
even-
out.
I
You pull her
can't.
out. Let's both pull her.
Let's both pull her.
Oh,
Come on! Come on!
I can't
Let's
let
try,
you.
Come on!
let me try open it. Let's try
Yeah,
open
she's
it.
actually stuck in there.
Girl.
Wait, what if you
Try to
go
open it.
inwards, counterclockwise, rotated counterclockwise,
I'm
okay?
really trying. I don't know how.
Try to open it.
I'm stuck.
Eh,
Wait,
we have to
Walk it.
get
Like, try
in.
walk into it.
We have to-
see if that works.
Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
There we go. I think that's.
Pee-Pee? Pee-Pee, let her walk in. What are you doing?
Don't mind us. Oh shit, wait, I think I'm also stuck
Are you
now.
Get it.
Wait, I think I'm also stuck.
Never mind.
Okay, wait.
Come on.
Okay. Can you,
Okay.
are you just stuck inside now? Oh
How
god.
do you
There you
want
go.
your
Get out.
bodies,
Can you get out?
Henry? Yes, I can.
Can you get
I
out?
can get out. Hold on.
Okay. Yay!
Nice. Let's go.
5 tickets to Mega City, please.
What are you holding?
Nothing.
Oh, she's gonna bet.
Nothing. I don't have anything. Nothing.
I see that.
Ow!
I can.
I'm a dead monkey. I'm a dead monkey. Córrele, viejo. Oh. Hey, what are you doing here? What are you doing over here? Okay, it's fine. No. Oh, we're dead together. It's kind of romantic. Ow! That was a sucker punch. What I need you to my
That
wife.
was so dark.
How are you so good at it? The Kirana's a sweat. March, admin, Kick Kirana out of the lobby. She's using hacks. How do you like the big punches? How do you do that? Maj, I mean Kirana's using hacks.
I'm not hacking.
She's hacking. You know, yeah! That's right. That's what you get. That's what you get. Come on, let's play cow.
Stop, Java. You're supposed to be fighting.
Okay, fine. Let's fight. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Come here.
Come here. Come here.
Double
Hugs.
jump.
Ow! How are you alive? No, she's actually hacking. I saw that 3 hit you, Kirana. I saw that 3 hit. Nah.
What?
Nah, she's hacking. Admin, please. Kirana is hacking
I'm not
the game.
hacking.
I saw the 3 hit you. How is it possible?
I can do this. Yo. Oh my god.
No.
No! I'll kill her for you. Don't. Never mind. I don't know how to grab her. I'm trying my best though. Ow! Ow!
Nelly.
I'm alive.
Oh my god, wait, this is a 2v1. I just realized. Me and you are on the same team. This is a 2v1. You see at the top, there's a line. There's a bar.
Oh my god, it's a 2v1.
I just realized that we're on the same team.
Who's on the same team?
So look, you see how mine and Ywuira's name is blue and yours is red, and at the top there's a bar that says 9 versus 7. How are
So
you
it's
winning, by the
me.
way? This is a 2v1 and you're winning. I just want to say.
I am the all-powerful.
Oh no! Oh no!
I
Oh no!
don't know.
Oh no!
I just talk like that. I just talk like that.
It's both of us versus Kirana and we're losing. It's both of us versus Kirana and we're losing.
I am the
Nah, gang up on her.
Mappy bust. If you're, I mean, if Mia was here, then I would be 2v2. My wife's not here today, you know.
Come on.
I don't understand how to grab people. Okay, but yeah, I saved you. I'm a hero. No, don't let her back in. Hell yeah, okay. We did it. Woo, we just did it 8 more times. 8 more times. We just need to do that 1 more time. 8 more times. Or about it.
Yeah.
We got this.
Actually, final boss is Kirana. Oh my
Kirana,
god.
final boss.
Oh man, the seconds are going down. We're gonna lose. We're gonna lose.
How did I win? on
That's crazy. How did you win?
I'm just a baby. I'm just a baby.
That's crazy, man. The betrayal.
My Wi-Fi is down. Yeah. That was good.
That was so.
We need to play this again with Mia. when she's-
Exactly.
Yeah, deadass.
Dead
Don't
ass.
download it. Yeah, I can't play it too much, cause you know.
That's fine. It's like
Yeah,
1
really, like,
a.m.
you
for you right now, right?
Yeah, we can plan this another time. I'm glad we even got to hang out a little bit. So.
Yeah.
I had so
Yeah.
much fun. Thank you so much for the.
Yeah,
two of
thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for hanging out. And let's plan this again sometime.
You know, this serves as my training arc. Now I learned the game. Next time I will slay
Okay,
everyone.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
If your
Okay,
guys
sure.
are fine with it, can we like plan this in a bit early time?
Yeah,
So
I'm
that-
okay for that.
I can do like up to
Yeah, I
3
can
hours
go for
earlier
it
than
long.
the time I usually start at.
Yeah, same.
I can join you guys a bit longer because I do want to play long, but it's too late.
Yeah, don't worry.
Yeah.
It's the time zone. It's the pesky time zone.
We can play it Olia next time.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Pod.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye 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 bye.